Anthropic has just upgraded its Opus model, and now its capabilities come close to Anthropic's most powerful, commercially available model, Fable 5, at half the price. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Anthropic says Opus 5 is better at knowledge work than any of its past models. It's also better at complex coding tasks than Opus 4.8. Anthropic claims it's better for scientific research and excels at tasks like predicting research, how variations in a protein sequence might affect the way the molecules function. Anthropic has also made the model more resistant to being tricked. Opus 5 exhibits the lowest rates of deceptive behavior, but one important distinction between Opus 5 and Mythos is that the company has specifically avoided training the new model on cyber-related tasks. But still, it's more useful for finding cybersecurity vulnerabilities than its predecessors. Now, Anthropic expects Opus 5 to be the model most people reach for when they need to get some work done. Anthropic says Claude Opus 5 safeguards are designed to allow users of the model in both cybersecurity and biology. Anthropic isn't including it in its recently announced 30-day data retention policy with Opus 5, as it did alongside Fable and Mythos 5. As for pricing, Anthropic says API costs for Opus 5 will remain at $5 per 1 million input tokens and $25 per 1 million output tokens. Anthropic has also added an effort menu for Opus, so users can tell the model whether they want it to be more thorough or fast or efficient to conserve tokens. China's Moonshot has also announced its Kimi K3 model, which costs $15 per 1 million output tokens and offers Fable-like performance on some tasks. But access to Opus 5 is already included with all of Anthropic's paid tiers, so you can try that right now. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.